In this video, quickly, I want to show you how you can have different versions of Node in your computer and use different versions of Node for different projects. But let me first answer this question that why we need to have multiple versions of Node.js. For instance, here, my Node version here is v16, version 16. But if I try to go to one of my projects, for instance, my app here, if I want to try to run this project here, npm run dev, it's gonna give me an error and says that you're using Node 16, but it needs Node 18 because it's a Next.js project and it needs nodes above version 18. So here I need to install version 18. But the problem is that I have other projects that are working perfectly with Node 16, and if I want to use Node version 18 for them, I need to upgrade them, and you need to actually upgrade other modules as well, and probably you need to change some code in your project. So that's a problem. You need to use different versions of Node for different projects. So here in this situation, when I have Node version 16 and as my default node, we have a tool called NVM, or basically Node Version Manager. So with NVM, let me search about that to make sure. Install NVM. So it's Node Version Manager, and basically with this tool you can have different versions of Node, and simply to use the other version here, I can say nvm use, and let me make it bigger a little bit. So nvm use, and here you can see that I have Node version 16 and 18. So to see the versions of Node here, I can say that use and press tab, and it's gonna show me the suggestions. So here I can choose Node version 18, and from now on, in this terminal tab, this is using Node version 18. If I try to open another tab here, the Node version here is 16, but here in this tab it's version 18. Now I can say npm run dev, and it's going to use Node 18 to run this Next.js project completely fine. So, but now how we can install other versions of Node using NVM. So because, for instance, let's say that we want to have Node version 20. A simple thing we can do is that, for instance, in Next.js project instructions, it should be somewhere around here. For instance, in installation page, if I go to so this is the Node.js website, and here if I go to download, and for instance if I choose Node version 20 or 22, doesn't matter, and it says that you have different options to go with. Here I want to choose NVM, I want to install it with NVM, and I want to choose the right version with NVM. So I can say that first I need to download the right version here, and then I can say nvm install version 20. So if I check Node versions, so I don't have it, but if I install version 20 here, oops, so it was so fast. So now check Node version here. Okay, it's now version 20. If I open another tab and check Node version, here is still Node 16, but here now if I say Node NVM use, you can see that I have different versions now, Node 16, 18, and 20. So this is how you can actually have different versions of Node in your computer. So that's all about this video. Thank you for watching. See you.